This video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are coming from the site Managegreatlyfreeinfo-file.info. This is a deceptive site that attacks Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to force them into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. If you ever see these pop-ups, keep in mind that these are fake Edge update alerts, so don't trust them. You should be very careful because such fake Edge updates may hijack your browser, and you need to get rid of any unwanted extensions if they were mistakenly installed. So access the menu, choose extensions, then if you find any third-party extensions here, delete them. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.